They're actually marked left, right on the back. And this says left on it, or passenger side here in the US. Now, the one thing you're going to want to do before you put the new one in, and you're going to want to make sure this is as clean as possible. So when I reach back here, I can definitely feel, see, there's something right there. There's still some glue and of the adhesive. You can see me as I'm trying to pull it off right there a little bit. See that? So there's still little bits of it back behind. And you can see where I've left some behind here on this. You want to clean all of that out as much as possible, because the new one has the same strip of adhesive on it. And you want to be able to slide this in, bring it up in place, and press it in from behind and have it sit flush. If it has double layered adhesive at all, then it might sit back a little bit. You want this to look good. You want the new one to look good. This one, not so much. I hate those. Okay, so next step, go ahead and clean through here. If you have any leftover adhesive, get it off. You could always use your pick tool here if you move kind of carefully. And I can feel, now I can actually see it. It would be almost impossible to catch on camera. But right here, you know where that strip was missing, you could see where it got left behind. You can see where it's there, okay? So go ahead and take and clean off any remaining adhesive. And then we're just gonna slide the new one in and press it up into place. All right, so everything's all nice and cleaned off now. I got rid of all that residual adhesive and it's nice, neat, and clean. I usually will use a rag as well, kind of get back behind there a little bit, clean out any dirt or anything similar. Now, most of the time when you fit this in, you don't have to worry about scraping up the surface of your painted reflector. I would be very, very careful, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna be feeding this in from behind. So just be super gentle. Now, I'm not gonna feed it all the way in yet, because obviously I need to pull this top layer off. Now, it comes this way with the adhesive from IND, so you can just pull it off like that. And then be very, very careful. Now, these only go in one way. They're actually marked left, right on the back. And this says left on it, or passenger side here in the US. They're also angled one way. The bottom is a little bit more square. The top is a little bit more trapezoidal. So you can tell which side goes on which side and what their orientation is. It isn't hard. Okay, but when you do this, and I'm going to do this very, very carefully, I want to slide this in here without scraping up the new cover or the new reflector at all. I don't want to scrape my paint. So I'm just going to very slowly work at this and work it into place. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide the bottom end first and then slowly tip it up into place. Once it's in place, I'll get my fingers back behind and press this up into the gap. And I can also press with my fingers on this side to get a good, clean adhesion with the adhesive. Okay, so go ahead and slide this in, and then we're going to jump to the back.